How to reset TikTok privacy settings. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to reset TikTok privacy settings. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch TikTok app on your device. Log into your account. Tap the file icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Select three-line icon at top right corner to access settings and privacy. Now tap privacy on the account section and make sure to toggle the button on for private account. With a private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. You can turn off the activity status so that you and your friends will not see each other's activity status. You can scroll down and tap sync contacts and Facebook friends, and you can toggle the button off for sync contacts so that your phone contacts won't periodically sync and they won't find you discover your TikTok account. You can turn off sync Facebook friends as well. Come back, and from this interaction section, you can tap direct messages and select allow direct messages from, and then tap on no one so that no one can send you direct messages and you can easily make your TikTok private. In this way, you can set all the interactions option as well as private. That depends upon you. So that is how we can easily reset TikTok privacy settings. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.